Okay guys, you don't know about this secret to make money from CAC that I want to show you in this video. Even if you already know anything about the CAC or Corporate Affairs Commission, you will know if you keep watching this video. Now, if you know nothing about CAC or business registrations, now this is even better for you because this opportunity to make up to 200,000 naira or even more by performing simple tasks on the CAC platform has almost nothing to do with registering businesses on CAC. How many of you have seen this aspect of CAC portal before? Well, yeah, if you have ever visited the CAC post registration portal, I'm sure you would have seen that particular page. Well, the secret to making money on the CAC portal that I want to show you in this video has nothing really to do with that page. Rather, the point I'm trying to make here is that there are several aspects and tasks that are available on the CAC portal that can make you real money. And even if you have been doing CAC registration for 10 years or more, you may not know what I'm about to show you. Now, of course, I do business registrations for people myself, and I've done well over 200 within the last 3 months alone. That alone can make you good money. But the secret I want to share with you to make your own money with CAC is much more easier than doing CAC registrations for people. For instance, if you have been doing CAC registrations, you will agree with me that getting customers is one of the biggest challenges you face when you're doing this business. But this CAC task that I have compiled for you has nothing to do with looking for people that want to register their businesses. All you'll be doing is just for you to work with CAC by helping CAC send some updates. The only tool you're going to be needing for this particular task is just your WhatsApp. So what this means is that you will not be going out of your house because you will be sending updates across the entire 36 states in Nigeria and even sent to some CAC affiliates abroad. All you need is your mobile phone and data and you are good to go. So what it entails is just for you to send updates to specific CAC affiliates. They will respond to you and then you will help them complete some tasks on the CAC website. And you'll be making between 5,000 and 20,000 naira or even more when you complete each task. And the good thing about this task is that there are millions of these CAC affiliates all over Nigeria and in the diaspora that you'll be working with. That is the more reason why CAC will need your service to do this job in the first place. So, I have compiled a short report, or maybe I should call it a mini course, that will show you the entire step-by-step process on how this CAC tasks work. Like I said, anybody can do this, even if you have never heard anything about CAC or Corporate Affairs Commission before. Trust me, you will get this start very easily and start making money almost immediately you begin. This is amazingly simple if you ask me. And what if you're already used to doing CAC registration, for businesses? Can you do this? Yes, of course. Either you have ever done registration for your own business, or maybe you are a CAC accredited agent, or even a non-accredited agent doing it just randomly. It doesn't matter who you are, this system is going to work for you. It's going to work for everyone. Now, you know that I have numerous free CAC videos on this channel, so I'll be charging you a little fee for this particular one. And trust me, you're going to make ×3 of that amount I want to show you, even from your first completed task. Another reason why I am not going to be giving this particular one for free is because I am sure you are going to make money from it. And also because you guys have enjoyed my free videos and you have thanked me over the month. So at least you should pay a little for this one, because this mini course will not just tell you how to do something, but how to make good money performing those very simple CAC tasks. And furthermore, I'm going to be inviting you to my private mentorship group so that I can monitor your progress and I'll make sure that you're going to make money from this. Though you can actually follow this course and rake in your own money even without any special assistance from me. But yet, I promise that I'll still add you to my private group just in case you need me. So, how much should I charge for this course? I know if I ask you guys to make your suggestion for how much I should charge in the comment section, some of you will still be mentioning 2K. But really, I can actually give this out for free. But no, I want only serious few persons that are ready to do the work and place value on this amazing secret that I want to share. So, for the first 50 persons that buys this course, I will only charge you 6,000 naira, and afterwards I will just keep the course at a flat rate of 15,000 naira for anyone that sees this video later and wish to learn this secret task from me and make money using the CAC platform. So if you have your 6,000 naira and you're ready to start making real legit money from this business model that will never disappear, and this is not the crypto kind of business that you will make money in 2 days and then everything disappears. No, this is actually a business model that will last forever as long as CAC is existing. So if you want to get this course, then click the link in the video description and I'll see you in the class. And if you have anything to ask me, of course, you can also drop it in the comment section. I'll do my best to give you my best response. Please, you need to help me share this video because I am 100% certain that there are at least 10 persons in your contact that will love to make money this year, and I think this is the perfect video for them. If you're a first-time visitor to this channel and you want to get more digital marketing opportunity updates like this one I just shared, then why not subscribe to this channel, turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when next I publish new videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.